Alright guys, I want to show you how to play Euchre. One of the best apps, if not the best app in my opinion, is Euchre 3D. So I normally play on hard, but I'm going to play on easy for this game, just to make it easier. So the cards are 9 and up in the deck, and that is it. I believe it's 24 cards, I think. And you play to 10, okay? And we'll get to the scoring here in a minute. But the whole gist of the game, Euchre, you deal out 5 cards. It doesn't really matter if you're just beginning how to play and how you deal. I would recommend if you're just beginning, do 3, 3, 3, 3, then 2, 2, 2, 2 to everybody. It's a 4-player game. After you deal all the cards, you flip the top card over of what's left over. And that was the King of Hearts, which is showing up. And now I am the first person left of the dealer, and I get to decide whether I like hearts or not. Okay? If I liked hearts, I would say pick it up or order up trump. If I don't, I hit pass. Okay? I don't like hearts that much. The only heart I have is the Jack of Hearts, which is the biggest card in the game if I called hearts. Now, if I called spades, which I can't do unless it goes all the way around and then we get to choose again, if everybody else passes on hearts. If I called spades, I would have the Jack of Spades and the Queen of Spades. So I'm going to pass here. He ordered up hearts, or she, whoever it is, the computer, the queen pin, ordered up hearts. Okay, so now it's my lead because I'm left of the dealer. I'm going to lead off, which means I'm not going to lead what she made it. Now, you're probably wondering why that Jack of Diamonds took that hand, and that's because if you call hearts, the biggest card then is the Jack of Hearts. The second biggest card is the Jack of Diamonds. So it's no different if we called spades. The biggest card would be the Jack of Spades, then the Jack of Clubs. So the same color, Jack, is then the second biggest card. And then it goes in order as normal. Ace, King, Queen, 10, 9. Okay? Right now, my partner across from me, Shark, laid a spade. I have to lay a spade if I have it, which I do. Obviously, Queen Pin did not have a spade. She laid a heart, and hearts are bigger than everything. So that King of Hearts is bigger than the Ace of Spades because it is trump. Everybody else had a spade. So now I don't have a diamond. So I could lay my Jack of Hearts to try to take this, but I'm going to try to let my partner take this one, which he had no luck. So now I have to lay the Jack of Hearts because they came out with a heart. They let a heart to start. You have to follow suit. I know I'm probably not doing a very good job explaining this. But now is my deal. Everybody has passed. It's came all the way around to me. I am going to order up trump. So now I have the Jack of Spades, which is the biggest card, the Jack of Clubs, which is the second biggest card, and then the Queen of Spades, which is 5th biggest card or something. I have to get rid of a card because I picked up a card. You can only ever have 5 cards in your hands. So unfortunately, we lost that. And as you can see for the points, what we're playing now is called tricks. Okay, so like this is a trick right here. The Watson laid a ace of clubs. My partner laid 9 of diamonds, which is nothing. One of the lowest cards you can have right now. And then Queen Pen laid the ace of hearts. So right now, Watson has it because he made the suit for this trick, and it was clubs, which I don't have any clubs, so I can lay whatever I want. Because remember, this Jack of clubs is actually spade now, because spades is trump. I'm going to lay the queen of spades and take it because spades is trump. And then the biggest card, so nobody can beat this, but everybody has to lay their spades. And again, this is a spade, so if somebody has a spade, they have to lay it, and they don't. So we're going to end up with 1 point there because we took 3 of the tricks. They took 2 of the tricks. Now, if we took all 5 tricks, we would get 2 points. And we'll talk about going alone later. So in round, diamonds is trump. A spade was laid. I do not have spade, so I am going to lay my diamond, my jack there, because it is a diamond. I took that hand. I'm going to come back with a king of hearts, and my partner takes that one. Magnificent. And the rest looks like history from here. So they took 3 of the tricks. They get 1 point for that hand. Now this isn't a terrible hand. I'm 2 suited, which means I only have hearts and clubs here. Should I order it up? Since we're playing on easy, I'm going to say yes, I should order that up. Normally, would I order it up? I probably would just try it. Why not? Excuse me. Come back there, take that. Hopefully. Oh, we kind of expected that. Why would you lay a heart, partner? Okay. Can ignore that. That is my ringtone. So now, queen pin, the person to the right of me is dealt. It's my first choice. I can say, hey, you can pick that up, and they get that card, and that's trump. Or I can pass, which I'm going to pass. Queen pin decided to pick it up, so clubs are trump. So I'm going to lay my ace of diamonds here. Hopefully I get everybody except queen pin. She laid the jack of spades, which is actually the second base card. My partner, Shark, laid the jack of clubs, which is the biggest card, best card. So that's why we took that one. I feel like I'm doing a lot of rambling right now. If you just watch me play, it'll probably make more sense. Now that we beat them, we took 3 of the tricks in that hand, but we did not call that hand. That's called getting bumped. We bumped our opponents, so we get 2 points then, because we should have been at the disadvantage, but we won. So here I have a good hand until queen pin made me pick up that card. Now not so much. So let's go through this hand nice and slow, just see if everybody's getting the picture. Watson has dealt. They flipped the 9 of clubs over. It went to Shark. Shark passed. Went to queen pin. Queen pin passed. I don't have any clubs at all, so I am going to pass, but more than likely Watson will pick it up. Watson picked it up, so clubs are a trump. It's not looking good for me. Spades are laid, so if you have a spade, you have to lay a spade. And Watson did not have a spade. He took, even though I had the ace of spades, he laid the 9 of clubs, and he was able to take all those spades. And he took that trick because clubs is trump. Now my partner lays the biggest card. There is the jack of clubs, so he is going to take this hand no matter what. Even though hearts was led first, my partner did not have a heart. I do. I have to lay my heart. King of diamonds, I'll come back. I have a diamond, but Watson obviously does not. And now we just play it out. The second biggest card in the game right there, the opposite blackjack of what is called, so he's going to get that queen pen. So we lost that hand, obviously, but we took one of the tricks, so they only get 1 point. Spades were laid, so I have to lay my spade. That is perfectly fine. Brought all those diamonds out. We end up taking 3 of the tricks in that hand, and we get a point. It's my turn to lead. Watson made it clubs. His partner picked up clubs. I am not working with much this hand. Doing what I can with what I got. I can take one there. Woohoo. Excuse me. We held him to 1, which is pretty good for that hand. Now I have a very good hand if it ever comes back to me, which it doesn't, unfortunately. I am going to get rid of that. I'm just going to take this because I can. Not going to get this one. There we go. It's queen pen. Not going to get that one. But hopefully my partner has the ace of diamonds. Nope. But that is all right. I know this game kind of sounds confusing. I am not the best at explaining it. But hopefully you can kind of just watch what's going on and figure out the game. It's kind of sad I'm actually losing in easy. I thought I put it to easy. Maybe it's still on hard. I've actually never switched it before. I always leave it on hard difficulty. And I do fairly well on hard. I win at least 50% of my games. We're gonna order that up. Oh, not looking good for the good guys. More than likely, we are going to lose the game here as they're at 9 and we are at 5, and they just made it clubs. And I have every suit in my hand. Nothing big. Not a single ace in my hand. And they won 11 to 5. They took all tricks there. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I'm sorry it was kind of hard to explain. Let me know if you like the video. Comment on what I could do better.